Okay, well, that was the last of it. I got it all out. I got to clean all this up, like I said, and put down some gravel. I might have to dig it out a little bit. Reason being is this has a base on it that was in the dirt, and it was pretty close to the top. I don't want it sitting in the dirt, although this is PVC. I want to know if it leaks. But the only thing I busted here was this right here getting out. And that's all right. All it is just a reducer. It goes from this 1.5 inches down to, I think that's 3/4 pecs. So all in all, good. There's all kinds of black nasties coming out of this stuff. You can see some of it on the ground. Here's what I pumped out. So I've taken apart both of these, the carbon filter and the water softener. Before I did so, I plugged them in and it wanted the date. And this one, the water softener wanted the date and told me it was out of salt. This right here, the carbon filter, I mean, it's all basic stuff, like I said, and it's really basic because they haven't added any Wi-Fi or computer chips, so it's all really basic. This here, I watched a quick video on a different model, but this has to come out, and this is where your carbon is. And it looks like to me there's a special tool that gets in there. I'm not going to trust this plastic and try to jimmy something, but this has to come out because this is how you refill your carbon. So anyway, yeah, I've taken pictures of all this. Like I said, it's all very simple. There's nothing difficult about it. But some of these O-rings have seen better days. So we get these replaced and we put it all back together. Here's your, this is the brains of the outfit. That's it, you know. So anyway, I got it all apart and we'll go all through it. I'll look at the manuals online and see what parts I can get and replace and put her all back together. Probably throw it in the back of the truck and go find some place to pressure wash all this. Anyway, that's about it for right now. I got some stuff done in the house. We'll make a video on that another day.